My dearest Rathan, today as I stand before you, filled with love so profound and strong, I struggle to find words to express it. Today I'm reminded of the first time I saw you. I remember looking at your beautiful green eyes. I found to see if I can gaze into them forever.
My Daniel, when I saw you peeking around that corner that one summer evening, I was so intrigued and fascinated by you, I couldn't focus on the conversation in front of me. Then to see you walking my way, unsure what it is you wanted, I tried to move out of your way, only to see your hand reaching for mine. I thought, this cute boy is shaking my hand right now. Ever since then, you have been consuming my every thought.